Hello and welcome back everybody. This is just going to be a tutorial video for Door Kickers 2 on how to create map bundles. The reasons for this is that some of the maps I created or campaigns I created were not the maps for them were not actually for campaigns. They were basically standalone maps. So I've decided since after getting help from the community, especially from I think it's Plitz. I can never remember. Let me just quickly check. Map discussion. It's in here somewhere. I know it. It is Pills. That's the guy here. What I will do as well is give you the link to that Discord channel where the actual scripts are for your mod and also your map bundle XML file. Let me just quickly show you what I mean. So basically, if you wanted to create a map bundle, you would need a particular file structure. So if I take you to what the file structure looks like, I've created a template here for myself. So basically what you need to do is create a folder, as I have here, and name it, give it a unique name for your actual map bundle. And then within that map bundle, there are three further folders, one called maps, one called maps underscore bundles, one called movies, and then you need an XML file, which is just the mod.xml. You also need a mod underscore image JPEG. Make sure it's a JPEG file. Something I tend to include is the README file. Purely optional, it's entirely up to you if you include this or not, but I tend to. The first thing you need to do is look at the mod XML and what it actually looks like. So if we open it up either in Notepad or Notepad++, entirely up to you which one you use. But this is what the mod file looks like. So it's a little bit of coding that you need. You've got your title, so whatever your actual map bundle is going to be. Keep the version as 109. Author, uh, you put down yourself, who as the author. Description, just put a brief description of what the actual map bundle is about. That shows up in the workshop. And then pretty much leave everything as they are, but you will need the change notes, language mod, tags, and UGC ID as well, but leave them in this format. So that is the mod.xml. But like I said, I will provide a link down below to the Discord channel where this is actually kept. Next is the maps bundle. Now within the maps bundle, this XML file, so you need to name this, give it a unique name. So name it after your mission or map bundle name there, underscore, and then bundles. And then if you open this up, this is what it consists of. So basically the name of your map bundle. And then if you want to provide an image file, which is either a JPEG or a PNG or even an OGV file, you can put it in here, and that's where you put the movies folder as well. The important thing about this one is this actually tells the game where your maps can be found. So if you look at the way the format is done, this is how it's done. Again, I'll put a link in the description to the Discord page where all this is, and it'll be pretty self-explanatory, but you can pause the video here and just have a quick look again. And then you've got your maps. So basically this is where all your maps are, and these are just my test maps. Normally when you put maps in here, or the actual files themselves, you normally have about 5 files for each map. So you got a .back, .mat, a .tga, your XML file, and also a DDS file, which is your thumbnail here, as you can see from there. As you can see, this was from my winter collection. So in the movies, this is where you place your image. So it's normally 608 by 228 pixels. It's normally a good size for it. So once you've done that, you've created it, put your maps in. It's a lot simpler than creating campaigns. Once you're ready to publish your map bundle, what you need to do is go to your C drive, go to users, go to your profile, and then from your profile go to app data. Now if app data doesn't show up, hidden files is enabled and you should be able to see your app data. Once you're into your app data, go to local, start typing Kill House Games. You'll be presented with this folder. If you open that folder up, there should be the Door Kickers 2 folder. Open that up. Now in here, there is something called mods_upload. And this is where your map bundles and your campaigns live. So once you've done and you're happy with it, open up your version of Door Kickers 2. So we just quickly wait for this to open. So once this opens, if you go to the little mods icon down here, click on that. Now you should see up here where all your mods is, there should be an up arrow for your actual mod. And when you're ready to publish it, just click on that and away you go. And it is simple as that. So if you have any questions or anything, just put it in the comments and I will respond to you if and when I can. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Take care. Peace out.